Oh, that was a long day. I'm gonna invite a friend over. Wait, what happened to my friend? Oh. Wait, I have another friend. There's the other friend. Window! Yeah, you can come down. What's up, bro? What do you want to do? What's up? What's crack-a-lackin'? I would really appreciate it if you stop hitting me. Shut up. I hate you. That's why nobody loves you. Bananas! I'm coming, Dad. Get out of here, Winslow. Get lost. Get out of here. Oh, there's my phone. Wait, did he grab hold of my phone? I'm gonna kill him. Wait, why did I even have that kid in the first place? In Frank's flashback. Oh yeah, baby, I'm ready for that protection. Oh yeah, let's get ready. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Frank, yeah, go harder, Frank. Oh yeah. Yeah. The condom snapped. Oh no. What do we do? Okay, I gotta get out of here. Okay. Okay, let's get out of here. Let's go get that abortion. Oh. 7 years by. Oh, that's what happened. I'm not happy with my life anymore. I haven't got sleep in the last 5 days. I hate this kid. Come back downstairs, play banana. Gonna hang up the damn phone. Ugh. Oh yeah. Just went to go jerk off with the boner. See, this thing's still going. Oh. Wait, the camera's still on. Oh no.